Desperado sound play for you. How can you be so rude, ignoring he wrote that song for two? Till we cannot find a place to live in this jungle created by mankind. Oh, well, and we will arrest my weary head, where I can listen to Desperado sound instead. Oh, well, so sit down me. Oh, Lord, a man and man must be sure to me. Oh, well, but I feel like running instead. And find me a place where Desperado plays. Oh, yes, I take me over in the valley. Desperado so nice of a roller. With righteousness can take over. I will not sing a song with freedom. Spread the consciousness all over. I can general, my brother. Where you sit now? Come on, alright. There is no sound. See, there is no sound at all. And there is no sound to play like Desperado sound. To Desperado sound, give the trophy for the many sound that they beat. To Desperado sound, give the gravity. I don't want to get a copper and a ring. So all of my you cannot test the Desperado. Adios, amigos. Run it from them, man like Snow, Poppy, JB, and Blaze. Blaze the fire. Desperado kills sometimes. So 20 days ago, so 50 days of heal again. When the savage flow, another sound push me some, another jump and down. Desperado sound is reason. 20 days ago, okay. Looking back and taking stock of all those sound. Desperado beat out in the street, I saw I get the beat. Oh, many songs we beat, some but never have it easy. When Desperado song touch the street, some but got to say it. Desperado that song into doubt, and then the massive know. Desperado song is ready for the world. 20 days ago, so many days are here again. When the club explodes. Yo, Desperado. Yo, let them boys go and chat. Them can't frighten away. We are bad people. And remember, represent for the body's blood clot people right across the globe. And this is Desperado. Some boy for no which part them go. And when them a swing go, because we are bad people. Yo, you mean a Snoop, Puppy, the sorry toddler, read that sorry ruler. Yo, JB, give me a place. We no afraid of no boy. No pussy can't take Desperado for time. Fuck them. We no afraid of no sound. Know them certain. Desperado say certain. Desperado we say certain boy. We no born no friend from them. I pussy them. Yo, Desperado. Yo, let them boy go and shot. Them can't frighten away. You're bad people. I remember, represent for the body's blood clot people right across the globe. And this is Desperado. Some boy for no which part them go. And when them a swing go, because we are bad people. Yo, you mean a Snoop, Puppy, sorry toddler, read that sorry. Yo, JB, give me the place. We no afraid of no boy. No pussy can't take Desperado for time. Fuck them. We no afraid of no sound. Snoop them certain. Desperado say certain. certain. Desperado we say, certain boy. We no want no friend from them. I pussy them, a big fussy. Think my butter no. Yo, Desperado. Yo, make them boy go and chat. Them can't frighten away. We are bad people. I remember, represent for the baddest blood clot people right across the globe. And this is Desperado. Some boy for no spot never go. And when I swing up, because we are bad people. Yo, you wanna snow, puppy, sorry toddler, read that sorrow. Yeah. Yo, JB, give me the business. We not afraid of no boy. No pussy can't take Desperado for talk. What the fuck them? We not afraid of no sound. Snoop them say, certain. Desperado say, certain. Desperado we say, certain boy. We no want no friend from them. I pussy them, a big fussy. Think my butter no, and Desperado find out. I pussy them, a big fussy. Certain boy. Desperado now go friend them. I pussy them, a big fussy. Think my butter.
Desperado come to execute you. Did you mean to tell me you kiss this sound and get your life locked up on what? Some boy, oh yeah. Desperado come to kill you. Did you mean to tell me you this sound right now? You this the Desperado song you now. That is sound is a dangerous sound. So much more we have to kill for you. And you.
Rise up the Black 40. Hey boy, sound boy. When you love to chat. Question time, Desperado, ask them. You ever bill a copper shot out of 1 cent? You know what's... Yeah! Desperado there! Mr. Snoop, Puppy, Mr. Blaze JB, and the Warrington from Clarendon, aka Merciless. Yo, Clarky! Desperado rise up the Black 40. Hey boy, sound boy. When you love to chat. Question time, Desperado, ask them. You ever bill a copper shot out of 1 cent? You know, say that a super war president make one pop out a bicycle bar yet. I make a sound boy run left them carry it. You ever rub out a serial number. When you lick a make gun out a number. You ever I'll gun with machine tube yet. Peru no gun in a car tire tube yet. You ever bust a pint 50 or a Ruger. M4 Benelli or German Luger. Put Pepsi on a gun when he rusty. Bust your gun till he necessary musty. You ever... We're breaking into the frequency. Desperado sound is picking up some jump on them instead of networking set.
Jump on, how we right come and he right and boom, salute Desperado, return of a dad. Hey, this is a warning, pray to God. They need to see a morning, yeah. Desperado says a warning, pray to God. They need to see a morning, yeah. Hey.
It's Desperado, Humble City. Desperado, I'm tell him something, man. Hey, watch out. Send them on them dead row. Kill them like dogs in jungle. Oh, them dead row. We kill them like pigs and cow. Desperado, them on them dead row. Kill them like dogs in jungle. Oh, them dead row. We kill them like pigs and cow. Every man goes down with different age. The winds and wind, the wind and blow. People are saying, but I don't know the ice and I know. Emmanuel sent me and that's on delivery show. And enough sound still goes to blow. And all the wrong jump at Desperado, I'll go catch them a blow. And all the wrong boat, I'll go catch them a row.
Now it is Desperado, the vice from me, I represent every time I see them in the Snoop, in the Puppy, in the Blaze. JB, easy! I'm ready to jump on Sun Boy. Desperado, kill them so they call them are evil. Them boy they are evil.
so I mean, I go represent for Desperado every time, you know what I mean? I'm in a Snoop, I'm in a Puppy, I'm in a Blaze, I'm in a JB. I'm gonna jump on some boy easily. Ins come this one. Ooh, oh, oh, Desperado. Ooh. In this sound test Desperado, them jump and I go get slew. Whoa. Yes, deep in my heart I know Desperado I go murder you. Boy. So Desperado kill the sound, murder sound. Sound boy life gone away, we kill the sound, murder sound.
Yeah, hear me? Sure. Chant, bun down Saddam and Gomorrah. Them not want the million or the one or tomorrow. Chant, bun down Saddam. With them sound boy, I must see them must see paro. Me sing, just the beginning of them sorrow. Sound boy gone down in a Saddam and Gomorrah. I sing, just the beginning of them sorrow. Babylon gone down in a Saddam and Gomorrah. True boy.
It's not too far from killing time, at least not far from me. If the wind is right, people sail away. Come make we murder some sound for free. Oh, the champion play like a miracle. Just to wait and see. Why don't you believe in me? Say Desperado, we're gonna murder the champion.
Listen. Son, you're gonna die. Desperado, give you something nice. We're not alone, still they thought Snoop was telling a lie. Sam, you're gonna die. No one's with me tonight. Only
Desperado lock the worry. Yeah, some boy talk about them lock. Them don't even have a bicycle key. I want some boy, humble man. Stop grumble man. Desperado, New Jersey, all Jamaicans, all America. Snoop, Puppy, Blaze, burn them up. Turn it up, I want some boy. We lock the world, look at the girl. Where them lock PZ? Where them lock Viper? Ah, Desperado sound I play. Yeah, that sound it. Ah, Desperado sound I play. Desperado comfy, lock down the city. We don't know pity, make some sound boy go dead like that. Ah, no leaky.
6543 few 1. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the Desperado, the power sound. Big up you like Puppy, you don't know the works. Now, before I introduce this sound to play their 15 minutes on their very, very plush magic carpet over there, so we have some awards to give away, right? So I said, Your Grace, Mr. Governor, sir, if you would please allow us to conduct the award ceremony before it get too dark and you can't read the plaque them. Quick and fast. I would like let me see, who is this? I need a representative for Desperado Sound to come and take this award. This is a participation award. This is for your contribution to the sound system culture. And thank you very much for attending this event called My Sound String Upon the Lawn. That is for you, sir. I don't have time for a speech, so you ain't got nothing to say. You heard? Now, without further delay, I need a representative for Exclusive Sound. Exclusive, make haste. Otherwise, I'm just gonna accept it on your behalf and put it in my pocket. Oh, there he is. How you doing, sir? This is for you. Thank you for coming out. God bless you. Good night. All right, who's next? All right, I need a representative for Hot Stepper Sound. Hot Stepper Sound. The Expander Sound. Yeah, big up behind themselves. And forward and come accept this award. Quick and fast. Thank you for coming out. God bless you. Good night. All right. Who is next? Representative for Blue Steel.
Yeah, that pretty sound, that little Chelsea color sound over there, son. Yeah, that sound there. The sound when them say acid free, I mean, I don't know, you have to go prove that, you know, little more, you know, car. You say them free down, and the man them there. So we don't know. Blue Steel, we up behind themselves. Thank you for coming out. God bless you. Good night. All right, who is next? Black Heart Sound. Need a representative for Black Heart Sound for forward. Quick and fast. I believe that is the final one, is it? Yeah, look that way there. Thank you for coming out. God bless you. Good night. And then, is there one left? That's it? Oh, he was here. Yeah, that's what happened. Okay. All right. What? Of course. Ladies and gentlemen, for 15 minutes, we have the host with the most. They were here last year, so they got theirs already. We have the host with the most, Mr. Maurice. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Acid Sound, and your 15 minutes starts now.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, calm down and open the ears and listen. Because when you're listening, you learn a lot. Don't talk too much with the beer and the Guinness and the Hennessy. Focus a little bit, please, that we can get a better response and more. Elisha,